is the entrance. Hi! I'm here in Pong's Garden, Angat. Sige. Alam, magkakano siya.
Namahulog.
Go. Magkamukha ba, guys? Magkamukha talaga, eh. Kahit sa ang angulo ko tingnan. Na magkamukhang magmami. Nahangin-hangin pa kami, guys, because of what's with that face, man? Ay, this is my cutie na son. Magkamukha kami, di ba? Look at that. We're so magkamukha, guys. While ate and Olivia is there. Nangin ang thank you, kuya. Look at that. Magkamukha talaga, guys. Ate! We're about to leave na, guys. Kasi kumain na kami. Wala si daddy kasi naipit na siya sa traffic in Manila. Bye! Thank you for watching, mga balos!